Hello and welcome to my channel Learning is Fun by MGB, and I am MGB. In my earlier videos I had given the tutorial on how to do different types of font formatting in Excel, and along with explaining different types of font formatting, I have also explained in one of my videos how to apply the different types of alignment in a data in an Excel worksheet. Now, in continuation with that, in today's video, I will explain how to apply different types of orientation to a data in Excel. Now, what do you mean by orientation? Orientation means the physical position or the direction of the text in Excel. Now, what do you mean by direction? Direction means we can place the data within a cell in a certain direction, maybe in a clockwise direction, maybe in anti-clockwise direction, even we can place the data vertically also. So there are different types of orientation available in an Excel worksheet. So in today's video, you will learn how to apply different types of orientation to a data in an Excel worksheet. So let's see. Okay, now the next part after alignment is the orientation. So I'll show you with example. Now suppose there are different type of orientation available over here. This AB. Now suppose now click on this drop down arrow. Now see, you can see there are different type of orientation. Angle counterclockwise, angle clockwise, vertical text, rotate text up and rotate text down. So let me show you with one example. Suppose I'm selecting this cell and I'm clicking here and I'm making the text as angle counterclockwise. See, can you see the change over here? It became diagonal. It took a appearance of a diagonal as with a angle counterclockwise. Now I'm changing the roll number also. Again I'm making it angle counterclockwise. See. Okay. This is actually how you are placing the cell, the data within the cell. Either you can make it angle clockwise or angle counterclockwise, or maybe rotate text up or down, or maybe vertical text. Suppose I select the subject one and I'm making it as vertical text. So it became like that. So this is not suitable, so I'll change it. So I better make it angle counterclockwise like this, just to make your table look little more better. Or suppose you want to place your data in a certain angle. Okay. Then again I can make this subject 2 also to like this. So this is looking little more better. A different look actually from the normal one. From the usual one actually. So according to your requirement, you can apply different kind of orientation. Okay. I hope this video was beneficial to you. If you have liked the video, please give a like and share with your friends. And if you want more such videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.